Hello everyone, so today I will try to create rocks or boulders, I don't know, stones for our main tutorial, so stay tuned. In here it will be a lot of time lapse because I really cannot create for 10 minutes rock or stone. In any case, stay tuned. I will try to do it as fast as possible. Okie dokie. Okay, something like that. Yeah, there's no much talks right now because trying to do everything as fast as possible. Definitely it won't be looking super awesome or something like that. But whoops, why I'm just inverting all normal so I can understand. Okay, in any case, we have a base. The base is where we will place the stones. So basically the bottom part I will delete it later, and on this top part I will place some stones, let's say. So I will create a cube and we'll try to create a few stones or something like that. We don't need much, but we need at least some of the stones, you know. So we'll do it. Maybe they won't look super awesome like in our tutorials, you know, but in our case the stones will be very barely seen. So in general we can ignore that. Great, so okay, maybe I will do some small area. There should be kind of small stones or something like that. And yeah, in this tutorial I will be using I will use ZBrush to make the stones, but I don't know why I'm still everything creating at least like a references or something like that in Maya. So you can just go to ZBrush and that's it if you want. Okay, so I've created how the stones will look like. I will combine it, clear the history, and throw it to a ZBrush, export it as an OBJ. So let's import it in a ZBrush, our super duper mesh. Great. So what I will do, I will go to the Geo and press the Dynamesh. For a beginning, I'm starting with a simple Dynamesh. After it, I'm using Dynamaster. On the Z plugins, Dynamesh Master, and I've assigned it on the hotkeys. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, let's start building our stones. So what I'm doing, I'm just trying to trim a bit of bevel, let's say the edges, corners, because some stone won't be so sharp in most cases. They can be, but not all the way around the stone. Okay, so I'm using AG polish brush for that task. And definitely you can use the clay polish, you can use another like a trim dynamics or something like that. Probably we will use them a little bit later. And when we will increase the texture, oh oops, not texture, when we increase the resolution, let's say, where it's oops, too strong. Okay, let's increase a bit the resolution. Great, this time it was working. So still not using DNS master. Very good. And now probably I need to use the alphas because I cannot really sculpt such fast and trying as fast as possible, but as you can see it's complicated. Okay, what's wrong with my okay, my damn standard brush probably I destroyed. Don't remember which alpha should be on my brush. However, that's how it is. Later I will fix that issue. Okay. No, I cannot use it. Damn it. Okay, so let's go to the alphas. I have some stone alphas as well, so I'll use them. Something like that. Definitely we will fix the issues which are appearing when we're using alphas. I mean some jagged things, etc. So no worries. Okay, what kind of alphas do we have more? Okay, there's that. Probably will be somewhere here. Yeah, the small ones. Okay. Wrong brush. Where's my okay. And as you can see with alphas we can create a massive pretty fast. Yeah, they don't look unique, they don't look very good, but oh well. We need to do everything fast nowadays, so it is how it is. Great. So we have something like that. Great. What we have on the stone alphas. So in order to add even more details, we need to add a little bit more resolution. Okay, let's try 60. Great. It's more than enough. Okay, so that will be a gray details right now. So we have enough resolutions to add proper details, let's say. But definitely I don't have so much time to add all of them drawing in the proper details. So okay, for a tutorial purpose we'll try to do it faster, probably not great looking. However, talking about techniques, most cases, at least in my tutorials, not about the let's see. Okay, I want to add the proper rock on the top. And here, probably no. Now, not like it. Okay, I cannot be picky. I'm just throwing alphas and we will check what will be. Okay, from the alpha perspective for now, probably I will try to go a little bit manually with a edgy brush, but definitely I do not have so much time. Now that tutorial will be not 20 minutes, not 10, but a few hours. And what I saw from the YouTube analytics, people tend to watch from 5 to 10 minutes, and probably I've already lost all of you, but oh well. Sometimes things cannot be made in a few seconds, few minutes, let's say. So probably this information then will be useful for you if you want to create it for 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Or I'm too lame and I cannot create so fast the asset of an explanation and showing how I'm creating that asset. So what can I do? Yeah, it will be great to... Oh, I don't have time. Okay. Okay, let's leave it like that probably. And okay, let's duplicate my asset, and I will pre-process this asset and will decimate it. Cool. So let's decimate it and check how it works. It will be pretty decent. Okay, so let's export out the low quality asset, import Maya. So we have a low res version. Definitely we can go even lower, but can go with that too. As we will have only one rock asset like that, so to be honest, we can ignore such poly count. It's 4.5k, so doesn't matter. Okay, so what we will do first, probably I will go to merge everything, and yeah, we remove to the bottom, we merge all vertex points in order to avoid extra issues. Do a planar mapping, and okay, so let's do again planar mapping. So do we have a proper planar mapping? Okay, let's try to fix it, and we have issues in here. Not so great. Okay, let's check this out. Okay. We still have any issues. Let's do again the projection. Let's try to unfold it. Still the same. I cannot understand which place in here. Okay. It looks like a no. Cannot understand why. Okay, let's try again. Planar mapping. Go to the UVs. Okay, the issue is fixed. As you saw, there was a bit headache, but we fixed it. Great. So we have that rock. We'll do next. We need to texture it. And okay, so from the ZBrush, I will export high poly mesh. Okay, exporting. Great. So we'll go to Maya. Do the same thing. Probably first of all, I will clear the history, freeze transformation, and export rock low asset. Great. So let's go to the substance painter. Oh, wait a second. Oh, doesn't matter. Let's go to the substance painter. Open the. Oops. Create a new. We'll select 2K. DirectX. Select. We will select low poly rocks. We won't use Udins. Let's go to texture sets. Bake base maps. Go to this. I don't know how to do a browser, and browse to high poly mesh, and let's bake the maps. Awesome. So yeah, we definitely can see in here the issues. Do not unlock normals and not soften the normals. So what we can do, we can unlock the normals, go to the soften mode, and I can clear history, and let's export it again. I will replace the mesh. Rock low, great, and I'll rebake the mesh maps. I mean, great. So right now shouldn't be any issues with the edges as you saw previously. Okay, so what we can do next, we can fastly create few layers. Okay, so let's pick the color. I probably something a bit reddish, orange. Definitely best choice will be to check the real life rock examples. I mean, but oh well, let's do it like that. Okay, I will duplicate that one. I will assign the black mask. I will go to the generators. I will apply mask editor. Great. We will create that color probably a bit darker. Something like that. Great. And I'll go again to the mask generator, and I will play with the mask a bit. Not too much, just a bit. Definitely we can go and for this details, go and play by height map. As you can see, we will get this strange effect, but it will look fine, at least for me. Great, so what we will do next, I will select another map and assign another black mask, add generator, mask builder. Yes, great, we have some edges, and let's try to add this our edges, I mean the lighter area. Okay, something like that. Okay, we need to do something with that shininess, definitely. So 0.6 for a base. For this one probably move to the 0.9 for a dark place, and for these dark places. And for the tips, maybe I'll leave it 0.45 or 0.5 probably. Okay, something like that. As you can see, we have some kind of rock. Definitely we can go and play with that, but we will see probably that rock from such distance, so I don't know. I don't know if that worth that, if a shot worth the bullet, but okay, let's play just a bit. I still have few seconds. Okay, what we can do, we can apply masks, for example, smart masks, and it will be great to have some kind of dirt. I don't know which dirt should we use, but okay, let's try this one. Nothing special. Okay, but we can make something. It's killing my white areas, but we can add below, and as you can see right now it's looking pretty interesting. Okie dokie, so we can create another mask, and we can throw it on snap dirt, edges, cavities, ground level. Okay, let's do ground level. It's like a light baking. I like that thing. Okay. But in our scenario, it doesn't work. I don't like it, to be honest. Okay, probably I will leave it like that. But in general, you got idea how to create it. Definitely we need to create a small derbies or something like that, and it will be able to. So let's move this big shininess, because I don't like when things shining like that. I mean, when the rock shining like that. Forgot to mention it. Okay, so this is it. We will export the asset. Okay, so go to textures. Now pick probably Unreal Engine packed, and 2K, it's more than enough in this scenario. 5 for padding from each area, and for a format to PNG. Great, so we just exported the texture. Alrighty, so in Photoshop I've opened my main texture. This one. Just added another texture which I selected mode overlay, and another duplicated texture. I'll select the color, and on the rest only will lighten some areas, because I don't want to have that dark gray in here. Okay, and I've saved this information. Great. So now we can apply the texture on our asset. We will have this creepy rock. So we can check it in the Marmoset tool bag how it will look. Great, so I've just set up it in Marmoset tool bag. There is no super awesome lights. I've just placed one. We can play a little bit with roughness, and but in general you can see how it will look, and it's from far distance it can be good asset. So I will stay on this place, or maybe I will create another one with a little bit more sharper angles. I mean, because this is like a center connector or something like that. It's good, but probably I want to have few, or maybe I will create few stones with a sharp angles. I mean, very sharp angles, in order to combine them later on. So for today probably this is it, and as you can see Easy like that, we can create some asset. So stay tuned and see you.